isolated atolls, but they're still the majority. And when they come out of that, and they get angry enough, and we saw...
Well, it's me again. It's always better to have some more intelligent people than me to put some light on some stuff. So here's the deal, okay? Now they want Trump out. We get that. Now they want me as a Trump supporter to be shunned from society, to be shunned from society. They want the Republican Party burnt down and my ability to earn an income to be taken away as a Trump supporter. So if you're under the idea of 3 strikes, you're out, I'm a Trump supporter. I believe in the Lord Jesus Christ, and I believe in the right for the unborn to have a right to life. So it's 3 strikes, you're out under the Democratic Party. So I'm not hard to find. So why don't you come and shackle me right now and put me on the 50-yard line, the TIAA Bank Field, where the Jaguars play, which is where I live, and then just put the gun to my head and pull the trigger, which is all you really got to do. And then you've euthanized me, which is what your intent is, to shun me from society and make where I can't do anything. So just come and get me and wipe me out. That's what you want, so say it. Say it and see if you can say it. Well, that's right, though. There's probably millions of people going to come to my defense, but be interesting to find out.